Getting visibility into what's going on with your goods has always been challenging, which made planning your supply chain operations inefficient and difficult. Not anymore. Our customer platform gives you visibility into all your orders and shipments from one central tool, making it easier to track the status and location of your goods and saving you time. With our platform, you can make more informed decisions for your business using real-time information about your orders and shipments. Stay up to date on changes to important dates, newly uploaded documents, and detention and demurrage reminders. Easily track your products and the status of purchase orders. And get real-time visibility into shipment statuses while your goods are in transit. Get valuable supply chain insights with on-demand, configurable reports. And communicate with our team directly from the platform. We believe in putting supply chain information at your fingertips. Contact us today to request access and start seeing your goods differently.